morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in the class of Moral Science. Since first semester is over, so we have to proceed with the second semester syllabus. Right? As we know that in this corona period, we have to go for online classes. So why to wait for anything? So let us begin today's class with chapter 7, the seed that didn't flower. So all of you ready with your book? Open page number 34 and begin preparation for your second semester. Let us begin the chapter, the seed that didn't flower. Value being taught honesty. That means through this story, you will get the value of honesty. Objective of the lesson. The lesson aims to teach the children how important it is to speak the truth. One needs to be truthful all the time, even it is difficult to do so. It is often easy to tell a lie and escape a problem, but it should never be adopted as a practice. Got it, everyone? Let me explain you through one of the examples. Suppose you are in the school and your friends have done some mischief and they have been caught by sister. They are not speaking the truth, they are going on speaking lie. At that time, sister calls you and asks the truth. In that situation, it is very difficult for you to speak the truth because one side your sister is there and the another side your friend is there. Suppose you are speaking the truth, your friends will be angry with you, isn't it? And sister doesn't know what is the truth. That time your situation becomes very false. So what is your duty that time? Your duty is to speak the truth all the time. Because what happens if you say the lie and you escape from the problem? That time it will be easy for you to come out from the problem. You will be happy with your friend, and since sister doesn't know what is the truth, so she also will not punish you. She also will not do anything. But is it a good thing to say lie? No. Suppose at that time you spoke lie for your friend, maybe your friend will get the habit of doing mischief and will get the habit to speak lie, and all the time he will come out from the problem by speaking lie, and that is called he will adopt the same practice, isn't it? So we should never speak lie. We should always be truthful, however, whatever condition is there. Got it, everybody? Right. Honesty means being truthful in all respects. It means always tell the truth. Even if situation is not favorable to you, it is an important virtue. Since we are studying about honesty, so you should know the meaning of honesty. What is honesty? Honesty means being truthful in all the situations, whether the situation is in your favor or not favor. Sometimes you know that if you speak the truth, you may get the punishment. But don't worry, you may get punishment. But what will happen? People will start believing on you that you are always speaking truthful. You are a truthful person. You are an honest person. So they will respect you. When you speak truth, when you are honest, you get respect from others. And you know, truthfulness is a virtue. Virtue means punya. And so that honesty is also an important virtue. People will trust you and make friends with you if you are truthful. Just now I said, if you speak truth, if you are truthful, people will trust on you. They will believe on you and will like to make friendship with you because they know that this person, this child never speaks lie. He is a truthful person, So they will respect you and will make friendship with you. Isn't it? If you tell a lie or cheat others, you would never be happy. Obviously, if you speak lie or you cheat others, then what will happen? You will get disrespect from others and you yourself will never be happy. How long you will speak lie and will come out from the problem? After some time people will come to know, oh, this child, he is a liar person. Who will believe on it? Even if you speak the truth, they will not believe. They will think that ek number ka jhutha hai. And they will not trust you on you. They will not believe on you. And that is why they will not respect you. You will lose your respect. And when you lose your respect, you will be not happy even with yourself. Truthful people don't have to be scared of anything. If the person is a truthful person, he or she doesn't get scared of anything. He knows that I am truthful. I am not speaking the lie. So why to get worried and why to be afraid of others? We must be brave and tell the truth, though it may be difficult to do so. So we must always be brave to speak truth, not brave in fighting. And always we should have some courage to speak the truth, because for speaking truth also some courage is needed. So that courage you have to develop to speak the truth. Whatever difficult situation is there. I said always you should be truthful. You must have heard the story of Raja Harishchandra. If you have not heard, you ask from your parents, because I don't have here time to tell the whole story to you. Isn't it? If I would have been in the class, I would have explained you. So now, you ask from your parents, you ask from your mummy, what was the story of Raja Harishchandra? Till the last moment, he had spoken the truth. It is because in the long run, we would surely be benefited. You may think that if I speak truth, I will be caught, I will get punishment, my parents will be informed that I have done such mischief. But if you speak the truth, maybe at that moment you are not getting benefited, but in the long run you will be benefited. So, you all promise with yourself that you should always be truthful. I know many of the children from my class only. Simply they speak lie and escape from the problem. They don't do the homework and they say, ma'am, I have done. No, they did some mischief and simply they say, ma'am, I didn't. Isn't it? That is not the correct way. Because once now you are in the childhood, if you develop the habit of speaking lie, you will develop it. As you grow, it will become a habit in yourself. And then you will get the habit of speaking lie. Sometimes when you wish to speak truth, then also truth will not come out, only lie only will come out. Isn't it? So, you should now only promise yourself and you should develop of speaking the truthful. Isn't it? So, till today, till here only I will teach it. Up to here only. Rest of the story, that means story only I will begin in the next class. I hope you all must have understood it. And now it's turn off your homework to read the chapter till I have taught you. Okay, take care, stay home.